Meaning of HOV lane.
HOV lane.
HOV lane.
HOV lane.
HOV lane. The HOV lane, also known as the High Occupancy Vehicle Lane, is a special highway lane reserved for vehicles with a certain minimum number of occupants, usually 2 or 3. These lanes are designed to encourage carpooling and reduce traffic congestion during peak hours. In some areas, buses, motorcycles, and other alternative fuel vehicles may also be permitted to use the HOV lane regardless of occupancy requirements. HOV lanes are typically marked with special diamond symbols, and violations can result in significant fines. Using an HOV lane can save time and money for commuters who meet the eligibility requirements.